So hello guys, in today's video we will see how to install VN Video Editor app in your PC or laptop system. VN Video Editing software is not available for Windows yet. That's why we are going to take the help of an emulator to install it. If your system does not have a heavy emulator like BlueStick, then watch this video till the end. I am going to tell you ways in which you can easily download and install VN app in any low-end PC or laptop system. So when our system BlueStick 5 emulator is installed, so let's open it first to download VN app. After opening the emulator, we will see the interface like this. So here we can see System App. Simply click on System App and we will see Play Store. So simply click on Play Store and open it. And the emulator which I am using to install the app. If you want to install it in your system, then you will get the link in the end screen of this video and also in the description of this video. As soon as my Play Store opens, I am getting to see VN app. This is because I keep downloading this kind of app in my system and from my Play Store. But if it is not visible in your system after opening Play Store, then click on the search bar of Play Store and search VN. Simply write VN and search. So here you will get to see VN Video Editor. If you want to see how long this app will be downloaded in our system, for that you have to click on this app. Here you will get to see everything. To install the app, simply click on Install. And you have to wait until the app is installed. After installing VN app, if you minimize your emulator, then you will get to see VN Video Editor app on the computer screen. So you can open your app from here. And if you come to your emulator, so now we will cut the Play Store from here. After cutting the Play Store, as soon as you come to the emulator, then you will get to see VN app. So you can open your app from any of these two places and use it. If you want to learn how to use this app and edit videos, then subscribe to the channel. The video will come in 2 to 3 days. If your system does not have a heavy emulator like BlueStick 5, then watch this right video. In this video, I have told you about 5 emulators, which run very easily in low-end PC. So guys, see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.